You're not going to believe that this mountain retreat is just over an hour north of Atlanta, and it has a view that will blow you away. I promise you're going to want to stick around to see that. Look how private the lot is. You're surrounded by the serenity of nature. You can barely make out your closest neighbor through the trees. This is 117 Falcon Heights Lane in Big Canoe. It's 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 3,246 square feet of living space on just under a 1-acre lot, listed by us, the Prewitt team with Real Broker, for $639,000. The family room delivers cozy mountain vibes with its big stacked stone fireplace. It's filled with natural light from the big geometric clear-story windows along the vaulted ceiling. There's a very cool wet bar to make yourself a cocktail while the sun's going down, or maybe when it's coming up if you've got a problem. The hardwood floors look amazing. All of the sunlight gives them a golden glow. The kitchen has granite countertops, natural stained cabinets, textured brick backsplash. There's lots of prep space here for whipping up a meal, and you can do it while you're enjoying the spectacular view. I know the camera doesn't really capture it from here, but we're going to go outside and take a closer look at it. The walk-in pantry has ample space for storing your family provisions. We've got a cute little powder room with a pedestal sink. The open floor plan and all the big windows capture the view from everywhere in the main living space. When you're surrounded by this kind of natural beauty, it would be a shame not to see it throughout the house. If you want to enjoy some fresh mountain air while you relax or have a meal, you've got this spacious screened-in porch that is perfect for that. It has a luxury treehouse feel. If you're a morning person, this is northeast facing, so it would be an amazing place to have a cup of coffee and watch the sunrise. I promised you a view. I'm not going to keep you waiting, and I don't think you're going to be disappointed. From the family room, 2 sliding glass doors open to the first of several decks you have to get out and soak in this spectacular scenic beauty. I'm going to zoom in so you can appreciate your very own treetop panoramic mountain vista that goes on for miles and miles. As gorgeous as this is with the springtime greenery, imagine what it would be like when the fall colors pop. And of course, it is totally private. You could be out here completely naked if you're a weirdo, and there would be no one to judge you. It really is $1 million view, and you can get it for less than $650, which is a pretty amazing deal. If you buy the home as a rental property, that's the kind of view that really draws people in on Airbnb and Vrbo. And of course, you can still use the home personally for you and your family. That's what we do with our place in Big Canoe. We absolutely love it. Hey there. There are 2 bedrooms on the main level, this secondary and the primary. Each has its own ensuite bathroom. One thing I really like about this home is it has traditional cabin elements blended with lots of modern comforts. The primary bedroom has a vaulted ceiling and more of those cool custom clear-story windows, touches that add character and visual appeal. You've got another set of sliding glass doors, this one leading to your own private deck. You could roll out of bed every morning, start your day with fresh mountain air and this breathtaking view. They say money can't buy happiness, but it can buy a mountain house, and I can't imagine being sad if I started my day like this. The primary bedroom has excellent space. There is a walk-in closet alcove that has 2 built-in wardrobes. Plenty of room for all your clothes, especially if this is a second home. One family has owned this property as a vacation home since it was built in 1992. It's been very well loved and maintained. I think the only thing I would really want to change in the primary bathroom is to update the shower to frameless glass and replace the carpet with tile. Maybe add some paint. None of that's absolutely necessary, but it would really bring the bathroom completely up to date without costing very much at all. If you don't know much about Big Canoe, it's pretty evenly split between primary residents and vacation homeowners. It is loaded with fun amenities, pool, 3 lakes. One has a beach and a big inflatable play area for kids. Kids absolutely love it here, and they would love this loft space. It's a fun, adventurous place for kids to sleep, and it's a great bonus in addition to the 3 bedrooms. The full daylight basement was recently finished. We're going to run down and have a look at that. Our clients finished this space as their family grew and they continued making weekend and summer trips here from Atlanta. It's incredible rec space. Just look at all the puzzles and games in the glass-faced display cabinets. There's a second kitchen with granite countertops. There's also a full bedroom and bathroom on this level. A place like this would be like having an on-demand summer camp for your family without stoned teenagers being in charge of your kids' well-being. Plus, here you get to join in the fun. The 4th of July celebration at Big Canoe is awesome. Everyone gathers on the green for live music, spectacular fireworks, food trucks. It is so much fun. And you still have time to be in this home by July 4th if you act quickly. If you don't want to go to the green, you can just sit on your deck and get a glimpse of fireworks displays from other towns in North Georgia. Got a big storage area here. This would make a great owner's closet for supplies if you're using this as a rental property. There is a very active rental market, particularly fall, summer, holidays, and for weddings and golf outings. Big Canoe does have 27 holes of beautiful championship golf. If you're a city person who's nervous about having a home in rural Georgia, maybe because you've seen Deliverance too many times, not to worry, Big Canoe is an upscale gated community. There's a near zero chance that a band of hillbilly moonshiners is going to tell you to squeal like a pig. And Atlanta's city energy and traffic will still be waiting for you when you get back home. This is the place to take a break from all that, to slow things down, recharge with some fresh mountain air and glorious natural beauty. And even though it seems like it might be a world away, it's just over an hour from Atlanta. I'm Brian Prewitt. My wife Kelly and I are local realtors. We would love to show you our latest gorgeous Big Canoe listing in person. Our contact information is the link in our bio. I hope you enjoyed the tour.